Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable dark mode on the ESPN Fantasy Sports game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the ESPN Fantasy Sports game on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change the game theme into dark or light mode, then tap on the settings icon or the gear icon at the top right corner. This will then take you into the settings page, from which you will see the display theme option. Go ahead and tap on the drop-down menu, which will be set to system setting by default, which means that if your system follows the light mode, then the application will also run in light mode, and if it runs in the dark mode, then the application will also run in dark mode. You can simply tap on the light or dark setting in order to change the dark mode as well as the light mode settings within your application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable the dark mode feature on the ESPN Fantasy Sports game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.